Happy New Year, and thank you for watching Jeff Sibelius and LandonAirPhotos.com. It's been a while since I've taken time to just talk to you, and I think the start of the new year seems like a great time to do it. If you're like me, you're probably happy to say goodbye to 2020. We've had riots, wildfires, hurricanes, a brutal political campaign, and of course, a global pandemic. The best expression for most people's view of 2020 that I've ever seen has to be the Match.com TV commercial where Satan goes to Match.com to get into a relationship and falls in love with the year 2020. The commercial is hilarious. I've linked it in the description below. You gotta check it out. Anyway, we've all been affected by the pandemic. Unless you were already a hermit, your life has changed this year. That said, our household has fared very well through 2020 compared to others. Our jobs were not affected. We've been able to work from home since March. Even my son, who tutors children, has been able to transition to online tutoring, so he was able to keep working as well. No one in this household contracted the virus. Why? Well, we've been smart. We've largely self-isolated, so we no longer do some of the things we love to do, like going to movies. We went several months without going to restaurants, which is something else we enjoy. We've started doing that again to a limited extent, but we are very, very cautious about maintaining separation at restaurants, stores, or anywhere else we go. We planned to go to Italy, and that got canceled. I lost about $1,500 on that situation. We did manage to take a trip to Terlingua, Texas, which is about as self-isolating as you can get. I got to shoot a lot of video and fly the drones. I published a few videos from that trip on my Family Travel Photos channel. Check those out if you're interested. Links in the description below. I also had to say goodbye to my cat, Anastasia, in 2020. I've owned at least one Persian or Himalayan cat since 1986. I really love them. Anastasia was probably the best cat I ever owned. I know, it's just a cat, but she was really very important to me. Shortly after that, we went to get another cat and ended up getting two kittens from the same litter. Tasha, a blue Himalayan, and Bianca, a Persian. I still think of Stasia all the time, but Tasha and Bianca are probably the most affectionate and people-oriented cats I've ever seen, and they've become a real joy in our lives. So I have to say that all in all, we've been very fortunate this year, but we know many who have not been so fortunate. So we recognize that we've been lucky this year, but probably like you, we grieve for those who have died and offer our best thoughts and hopes for those who haven't been so lucky. And I hope you remain smart, fortunate, and virus-free in 2021. One aspect of 2020 that was very positive was the performance of the Jeff Sibelius channel. I started the year with 154 videos published, and my channel had 8,000 subscribers and 782,000 views. My goal this year was to publish 26 videos, one every 2 weeks, and break the marks for 10,000 subscribers and 1 million views. So how did the channel do? In 2020, I published 34 videos. My subscribers and views both increased to 12,570 subscribers and 1.14 million views. My percentage of likes versus dislikes remained above 97%, and what's most amazing to me is that my videos were watched for more than 45,000 hours in 2020. Okay, I know that my channel is tiny compared to others. I'm not setting YouTube on fire with my stats. I'm not trained to do this. I have no qualifications for building a YouTube channel. I just do it. So, whatever the reason, I'm shocked and humbled to know that in 2020, people chose to watch my videos 355,000 times. That 4,300 people enjoyed my videos enough to subscribe, and 8,000 people hit the like button. I can't tell you what it means to get a comment from someone who really enjoyed my video, or to see a bunch of thumbs up clicks, or to talk with people from all around the world through my Facebook group, and then to see that people watched my videos for more than 45,000 hours last year. It really is gratifying and tremendously humbling for me. I'm sure you've noticed that I start almost every episode by saying, Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. I want you to know that's not just some pithy catchphrase. I really do mean it. And so my videos will continue in 2021. I've invested several $1,000s this year in a new computer, cameras, software, and drones so I can improve my videos in 2021. I have a series of videos I've wanted to do for 2 years now, and I'm going to do them in 2021 on how to shoot better aerial videos no matter what drone you're flying. I've got more than 40 pages of script, probably 20,000 words or so, already written for those episodes, and I really, really want to publish those. I want to expand into photography and videography beyond drones and talk about other types of cameras as well. I want to do more tutorials on Power Director, and of course, more non-fanboy reviews of drones and other products as well. I plan to do more videos on my Family Travel Photos channel, and I'm thinking of doing another channel that's more like a video log. We got millions of video logs on YouTube from all the younglings out there, but a channel that speaks to the over 40 crowd might be kind of fun. I'll let you know if I decide to move forward with that. If you enjoy this channel, I hope you'll continue to support it with your views, likes, and comments. When you share my videos through your social media outlets and on message boards, that really helps as well. If you're going to buy a drone or some drone-related product, I hope you'll use the affiliate links on my videos. I don't make enough to profit from affiliate links, but when you support the channel with affiliate link purchases, those dollars, or in the case of DJI, those credits, help me to get new drones and new cameras so I can make more videos for you. I have a page on my website which links to dozens of good products for drone users. The link is in the description below. If you're going to buy one of those products anyway, I hope you'll use the link from my webpage so I can afford to keep producing episodes in the future. I guess that's really all I planned to say today. I'm going to watch some football now. My Iowa Hawkeyes didn't get to play their bowl game because Missouri canceled due to COVID. But there are a lot more games I want to watch. I look forward to talking more with you in 2021, making more and I hope even better videos for you to enjoy. Keep posting those comments. Join my Facebook group if you want to talk with me. The link is in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching.